Montana on track, bitch.
Red homie thugger in the motherfucker. Red homie thugger in the motherfucker.
Oh. Rich gang. Fucked up, baby. Got like 4 ounces of I done did a lot of shit just to live this here lifestyle. Came straight from the bottom to the top of my lifestyle. Nigga living life like a beginning. This is only the beginning. I'm on the top of the mountain puffing on clouds and niggas still beginning. $1,500,000 on a Visa card. 100 bands still look like some fucking ties. Niggas serving great white like I'm feeding sharks. I won't do nothing with the bitch, she can't even get me high. Something wrong with the pussy. Even though I ain't gon' hit it, I'ma still make sure that she good shit. Me and my rounds ain't gon' get caught up like that, no way. We ain't got time to go see doctors. Jay, hey, send money. I'ma put my paper up on the bitches yawning. Hey, this a show, bitch, I'm performing. I do this shit for my daughters and all my sons, bitch. I'm on the random bands up, take her they funds, bitch. I got a mom's bitch, she got a mom's bitch. I got sisters and brothers to feed. I ain't going out like no idiot, I'm a OG. I done did a lot of shit just to live this here lifestyle. Came straight from the bottom to the top of my lifestyle. Nigga living life like a beginning. This is only the beginning. I'm on the top of the mountain puffing on clouds and niggas still beginning. Still streaming for the other side. For the nigga. I'ma ride for my nigga, hey. Convoy. And I'ma die for my nigga, hey. Convoy. I ain't gon' never let you know my niggas say. No way, no way. Nigga couldn't see me if they had a genie. I'm living my life like Beanie. R.I.P. my brother Beanie. I stacked the rat to the ceiling. Now these niggas can't beat me. I just might wake up one Chanel and these bitches can't see me. I'm in a whole nother league. I ain't got age, but I swear to God I'ma bleed. Till I D.I.E. 28 flows up, I feel like I can F.L.Y.E.E. P on top of these bitches. God told me they can never stop me, so they ain't gon' stop me. I'm in that combat with baby, mommy get sloppy toppy. I'm bleeding red like a devil, I see these bitches plotting. They wanna know how I got M's and I didn't finish college. I done did a lot of shit just to live this here lifestyle. Came straight from the bottom to the top of my lifestyle. Nigga living life like a beginning. This is only the beginning. I'm on the top of the mountain puffing on clouds and niggas still beginning.
I do it for my daddy, I do it for my mama. Them long nights, I swear to God, I do it for the come up. I'm Willie B. beating on my chest in the jungle. Hey, money on money, I got commas and name bad. Sunday through Monday, I been grinding with no sleep. Talking about taking something from me like no way. Thuggle, that my brother. You don't want no trouble, or you can get these fish knuckle. Buckle up like a seatbelt or I shoot ya. Punching on the gas, too fast, and I lose ya. Give me a bed, and I do, I want a head, Medusa. I swear a nigga gone, cause it's strong on blowing super. Hey, grinding for a new day. I'm scared, like that nigga Lupe. Hey, I'm on the top, just like Tupac. Weed, I'm in her mouth, just like toothpaste.
Did a lot of shit just to live this here lifestyle. Came straight from the bottom to the top of my lifestyle.
I'm down, so swagged out.
Living life like a beginning. This is only the beginning. I'm on the top of the mountain, pushing on clouds and niggas still beginning.
You understand me? Yeah, nigga. Just in the middle of this ocean. Pacific, that is, nigga. You understand me? Bunch of bad bitches. You heard? Popping that GTV. You heard? Living that lifestyle. Yeah, I do this for Miss Gladys, boy. 100.